Unraveling the Meaning of Chin Strap. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, chin strap. Whether you've come across it in books, movies, or even fashion magazines, you'll soon know what it means and how to use it correctly. So, let's get started. When we break down the phrase, chin strap, we're looking at two words. The chin is the part of the face below the mouth, and strap typically refers to a narrow piece of leather, cloth, or other material that is used to fasten, secure, or carry something. Together, chin strap literally means a strap for the chin. This can be a part of a helmet or headgear that secures it in place by fitting around the chin. Moving beyond the literal sense, chin strap can be used figuratively or colloquially. In some contexts, it refers to a style of facial hair that runs along the jawline and is connected to the hair on the chin. Think of the style often seen on Abe Lincoln. It can be a defining feature for some people's style or appearance. Let's look at how to use chin strap in a few sentences. 1. Safety first. Make sure your helmet's chin strap is fastened tightly before you start cycling. 2. Fashion. He decided to shave his beard into a chin strap to change up his look. 3. Sports equipment. The football player adjusted his chin strap before heading onto the field. Sometimes, people confuse chin strap with other terms related to facial hair or equipment. It's important to note that a chin strap beard is different from a goatee, which includes a mustache and hair on the chin but not along the jawline. And when talking about helmets, the chin strap is specifically the part that secures the helmet, not any other padding or component. And that wraps up our look at the phrase, chin strap. Remember, it can refer to something quite practical like part of a helmet or describe a particular style of facial hair. We hope this video has been informative and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences to really make it stick. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.